Hello dear students, I am Manoj Bharti and I am going to teach mathematics to class 6. In this video we shall continue our chapter number 12, angles. We will do exercise 12.2. Our first sum is find the complementary angle of 13 degree and 45 minutes. Solution: let the complementary angle of 13 degree and 45 minutes is x. Students, what are complementary angles? Yes, the angles whose sum is 90 degree are called complementary angles. Therefore, we will consider that x plus 13 degree 45 minutes add up to give 90 degree. So, we will write it in the equation form. X, that is both of these two angles are complementary to each other. So, the sum of both of these angles would be 90 degree. So, we will write x plus 13 degree and 45 minutes is equal to 90 degree. Now, we see that it is given in degree and minute notation. So, we will convert 90 degree into degree and minute notation. So, we know that 1 degree means 60 minutes. And here we will write 90 degree as 89 degree and 1 degree will be written as 60 minutes here. So now solving it implies x is equal to 89 degrees 60 minutes as such, and it would go in the right side of the equation and its sign would change from plus to minus. Now subtracting it, you know how to minus. So we will subtract minutes from minutes and degrees from degrees, and after subtracting you will get the answer, that is 76 degree and 15 minutes. Therefore we may write it as, in mathematics we use this symbol as therefore. So the complementary angle of this one given angle 13 degree and 45 minutes is 76 degree and 15 minutes. Now our next sum is, we have to find the complementary angle of x plus 40 degree. Again we will consider its complementary angle as a. Here we are considering another variable a because our sum is given in the variable form of x. So we will have to give the answer in the form of x, and we are here considering another variable other than x. Okay, is it clear? Now again these two angles are complementary, so we can write a plus x plus 40 degree is equal to 90 degree. Again solving the bracket, you will get, we have to find the value of a here because a is a complementary angle. Writing a here, 90 will remain as such, and these two terms would go on the right side of equation and change their sign. X is of plus sign and it would change into minus after shifting its position. Again 40 is of plus sign, when we change it, it would become negative. Here solving it, we have to solve like numerical terms are to be solved with numerical terms. So subtracting 40 from 90 you will get 50, and here minus x would remain as such. So the value would be 50 minus x degree. Therefore we may write that complementary angle of x plus 40 is nothing but 50 minus x degree. Next sum is, we have to find the complementary angle of 27 degree 8 minutes and 54 seconds. Here again we will let its complementary angle as x. So these two are complementary angles, so we have to add these two. After adding, what would we get? We would get 90. Now we have to solve this equation for x. So this is in the degree and minute and second notation. So we will firstly convert the 90 degree into degree, minute and second notation. We know that 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So we may write 90 degree as 89 degree and 1 degree can be written as 60 minutes, and again 1 minute may be written as 60 seconds. So here subtracting 1 minute and making it as 60 seconds. So we may write 90 degree as 89 degree 59 minutes and 60 seconds. Now we have to find the value of x. X will remain as such here, and this term would shift its position and will become negative. After subtracting, you will get the answer, that is 62 degree 51 minutes and 6 seconds. Now next sum is we have to find the supplementary angle of this one. Again, this is given in the degree, minute and second notation. What are supplementary angles? Yes, the angles whose sum is 180 degree are supplementary angles. We have to do the sum in the similar manner, but here these are complementary angles, so they sum up to give 90 degree, but here these are supplementary, so they would sum up to give 180 degree. And again we can write 180 degree as 179 degree 59 minutes and 60 seconds. You know how to convert it now. And again you have to mention the reasons, and again after subtracting it you would get the answer. Now we have to find the supplementary angle of 2x plus 70 degree. Again, let the supplementary angle of this one be A. Again we are assuming its supplementary angle other variable than x, because the sum is given in the x variable. So we have to find the answer again in the x variable form. So we are considering another variable. Now these two angles are supplementary to each other, so they would sum up to give 180 degree. So we may write therefore A plus 2x plus 70 degree is equal to 180 degree. Now we have to solve this equation for the value of A. A would remain here as such and 180 would remain here as such, because both of them are not changing their signs. They are not changing their position from the equal to sign. And here these two terms will change their signs because they are shifting from the equal to. So plus 2x would become negative and 70 degree would become negative. Now again we have to solve the numerical terms. We will get, after subtracting, we will get 110 degree and minus 2x as such. Student, let us solve it first. Here we are given with 2 by 3 of 60 degree. It means 2 by 3 of means multiply. So changing here it by multiplication sign, and after cutting and solving it you will get 20, and 2 into 20 is 40 degree. Now we have to find the complementary angle of 40 degree. Let its complementary angle be x. Now as these two are complementary to each other, so they would sum up to give 90 degree. Again solving this equation for x, again by subtracting 40 from 90 you will get 50. So the complementary angle of this one, that is 40 degree, is 50. Next sum is we have to find the supplementary angle of 30% of 120 degree. Here first we will solve this one. 30% of 120 degree means, percent means we have to divide it by 100. So 30 upon 100 of means multiplication symbol. So here replacing it by multiplication symbol and solving, cutting 0 by 0, again 0 by 0, and after multiplication you will get 36 degree. Now again let the supplementary angle of 36 degree be x. Now adding x plus 36 degree means they would supplementary, so they would add up to give 180 degree. After solving it you will get the answer, that is 144 degree. And next sum is two complementary angles differ by 40, find the angles. Now as these two angles are differ by 40, so you can assume two angles like x and x plus 40. Since there is difference of 40, means when you would subtract x from here you would get 40. And also you can solve the same sum by considering two angles as x and x minus 40. You can do by this method also. Now here I am solving it by this method. X plus 40 degree would sum up to give 90 degree, because both of these are complementary to each other. Now solving it for x plus x would give 2x. Now it would come here in the right hand side of the equation and would become negative. So solving it you would get 50. again it is multiplying here, so after changing its symbol, after changing its position from equal to sign, because it is multiplying here, it would divide here. So here it would become, after solving you will get 25 degree. Now the value of x is 25 degree and another angle is x plus 40. So another angle would be x plus 40, that is 25 degree plus 40. Putting the value of x here, you will get 65 degree. So both of these are complementary angles and they have the difference of 40 degree. In the next sum, we have to find the measure of two supplementary angles. We are given with two supplementary angles which are in the form of x here. 3x minus 7 degree and 5x plus 27 degree. As both of these angles are supplementary to each other, so we would add up both of them, and as they are supplementary, so they would sum up to give 180 degree. Here 3x plus 5x would sum up to give 8x. After solving it, you would get 20 degree. Again this term as such. Now this is of plus, and after shifting its position it would become negative. We have to find the value of x, and here after solving it you would get 160 degree. Here it is being multiplying, so here after dividing it you would get 20 degree, and the value of x would become 20 degree. Now putting the value of x in this and this angle, 3x minus 7 degree. Here you after solving and putting its value of x, you will get 53 degree. Again putting the value of x and solving it, you would get 120 degree. According to BODMAS, firstly you have to multiply and then add or subtract. Thank you students and have a nice day.